This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Frontier truck bed. First, gather all your necessary tools, including various wrenches, sockets, and a reliable floor jack. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the vehicle's battery and ensure the bed is properly supported before you begin. You will need to locate and remove 8 bed mounting bolts and disconnect all electrical connectors and the fuel filler neck. Now, let's focus on disconnecting the various components. Carefully unplug the taillight wiring harness from both the driver's and passenger's sides. Don't forget to detach the license plate light and any cargo lights that might be present. Next, remove the fuel filler hose clamps and gently separate the filler neck from the bed. Always double-check for any additional ground wires or sensors that need to be disconnected. With the components disconnected, it's time to tackle the mounting bolts. You'll find 6 main bed bolts, typically larger, and 2 smaller bolts usually located near the tailgate. For any stubborn bolts, a breaker bar or an impact wrench will be your best friend. Loosen all bolts carefully before completely removing them. Remember to keep all hardware organized. This will make reinstallation much smoother. Finally, it's time to safely lift the truck bed. This is a 2-person job at minimum, or ideally, use a hoist or forklift for maximum safety and ease. Ensure the bed is perfectly balanced and secured before you begin lifting it off the frame. Once the bed is removed, take a moment to clear the frame of any remaining debris or components. Store the bed safely on a stable, level surface until you are ready to reinstall it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.